Live from Orlando, it's Hamcation. Hey there, welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. If you've seen this particular clip before, it's because I'm using this as a generic open. That way I don't have to, I can cut between different things and make it easier to edit. So I hope you enjoy the content that's coming up for you right after the opening sequence. All right, this is formerly Prepcom, now known as Morse Nexus. So basically what you're doing is an AI-powered CW decoder. It's instant decoding, real-time, it corrects itself, and lightning speed adaptation, crushes noise and errors for unbeatable accuracy. Universal transceiver companion, Wi-Fi GUI, streams to any device, so you can use your phone, tablet, PC, or Mac with Pro Controls in your pocket, anywhere, anytime. So this is really cool. So check this out. Here's the software interface. And again, folks, I do not know Morse, but it is impeccable. There's the ones for the dits and das. See it.
That's just a quarter-inch jack.
I love how people just walk in front of you.
That's just a quarter-inch.
You can see it.
3/8.
And what's beautiful here is it shows you
That's actually
confidence in the feed, or the mode I should say, as well as the sender. 100% confidence that it's correct, it says.
You can say me.com and it'll go there.
That is incredible.
I learned how to speak. It's going to be in March. You got my card, right? You got questions?
Incredible. Here's the system display with the device. There's like two different device options. You got the cipher, and then you've got the transceiver right here. So really, really cool. Check them out. Give them a Google. Morse Nexus. Morse Nexus.